Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and you asked me to repeat a tutorial for a 5-strand braid. So what we did, my son is the model today, we did the tight version. So no pancaking, just tight, simple 5-strand braid. I did it on damp hair, and for those that are new on our channel, please subscribe, click the little notification bell for not missing any new tutorial. Let's get started. You want to start with parting off a tiny portion in the front of the head, and we're going to start with 3 strands. I do now a normal French braid stitch, so bring the strands from the outside under the middle and then the other side, and now we're taking the 4th strand and you go under and over. And again from the other side, now we take the 5th strand, then we have them all, and you go always under and over the neighbor. And you see that I separate all 5 strands always in between of my fingers. Now I added a new strand of hair, make sure everything is neat and combed through. Go under and over. Separate through or with your fingers every single strand. Now again from the right hand side, take a new portion of hair, smooth it out and combine with the existing strand, bring them under and over and put your fingers into the gaps of the 5 strands. And like this you keep on braiding. I did because I wanted a tight braid. Here you see that I grab with the ring finger the middle strand under the other one. That is the way I do it, like this is faster, but you have to figure out how you like to do it. You always have to go under and over, and then from the other side under and over. That's it, there is no other trick. You see it here from the other side. Grab some hair, add it to the left hand strand, smooth it out, and now you bring it under the neighbor, hold it and over the next strand. And always put your fingers in between of the gaps. Now take from the right hand side a strand, combine it, bring it under and over. Here you see it better. And then you start with the ring finger and then go with all the 4 fingers in between of the gaps. That's it. You do this braid technique until there's no more hair to add in, and then you just braid the same pattern, same technique without adding in hair.
I'm not in the mood, but you'll be here soon.
And even here you see it's always the same pattern. Just go under and over and again under from the left hand side and over. Then tie off with the hair elastic, and because I didn't want to see the elastic, I'm taking a portion of hair and wrap it around, and as the hair is quite short, I fix the end of that strand with another tiny hair elastic by wrapping it around and then hiding it just with pushing it up and bringing down a bit the other hair. And here we have the final result, a tight 5-strand braid. He asked me for doing a tight braid because he's going to make a diving course and wanted his hair to be out of the way. This is from the back. If you're new on our channel, please like, comment and share this video. That helps us a lot. We are uploading 1 to 2 videos every week, and we hope to see you back soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.